Okay, so now that we've exported our video, we can upload it to YouTube and then embed it into our WordPress blog. So I'm going to go over to YouTube and I'm going to come up here to this little camera symbol with the plus. It says create a video or post. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click upload video. So this is my first time uploading a video to YouTube. Before this assignment, I've never had a YouTube channel with this account, with my Mix account. I'm going to go ahead and create channel. That'll take me to this screen where I can simply drag and drop video files into this window. So I'm going to go to my desktop, open this folder, and then I'm going to grab my Lauren interview final video and pull it into this window. That'll start the uploading process, which is going to take a few minutes. After that, it'll start processing your video. A couple things here, we just want to make sure that your video is either public or unlisted. If your video is private, your professor will not be able to find it. So I'm going to make mine public. I'm also going to check this name. That one is fine for you. You might have the full name of the person you interviewed, or perhaps the name of the story that you've given their interview piece. For now, I'm going to leave it as is and wait for the upload. So it is done uploading. It is now processing. YouTube is trying to make sure that your video looks as good as it can. This might take a longer amount of time, shorter amount of time, depending on your video. It also tends to stop at 95% for some reason, but please don't worry. So processing is done. It has given me a couple of options for thumbnails. I like this coffee thumbnail, so I'm just going to leave that. And then I'm going to hit publish. So now it's given me a URL to my video, as well as an embed code. This is HTML code that I can paste directly into my WordPress blog. I'm actually going to grab the URL. I'm going to hit Command C or Control C if you're on a PC to copy this, and then I'm going to go over here to WordPress and paste this into my WordPress blog. I'm going to hit Command V or Control V. WordPress is going to take that URL and convert it into a working video. When you watch your video for the first time, you may notice that it doesn't look as clear as it did on your computer. YouTube is still processing your video in the background, and it may take up to an hour for it to be fully processed. Next thing I'm going to do is give this a title, and then I'm going to preview my post. So here it is on my WordPress. I'm going to go down and then check that my video is working. That looks great. I know that it's working. I can go ahead and close out of this, write a paragraph, and then publish my post. Once I hit publish, I'm going to visit my site by clicking here. And then I'm going up here to copy this URL. This is the public URL because it starts with my website's name. If you see WordPress here at the beginning of your URL, that means you are probably in the editor side of your WordPress blog. Your professor will not be able to access your video if you're giving them this link. Make sure that the link you submit to eCampus starts with either your name or the name of your website.